Hi everybody, welcome back. It's me, Camila Rose with KR Designs. I'm having a moment here. Forgot my channel name. And I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be doing the budget for my second account, my Chase account, and we are going to do a quick rundown. This budget has pretty much stayed the same. There's going to be some slight tweaks, but not anything really big. No huge explanations like in some of my other videos. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get going. So this one is 17. Oh, I forgot how much this one is. I believe it is, let me go look at a prior one. I'm like, oh my goodness, how much is this one? I think it's 1768 maybe? Ooh, is that one not done? That one doesn't have how much it is. Look at all these old ones, y'all. 1178. There we go. 1178. I knew there was a 78 in there somewhere. All right, and paycheck will be September 16th. And we start with car note, which is 604. Like I said, I'm still working on paying this car off. I've got about 4,000 left. And then I'm done. Car wash is 15. There is also, by the new house, a car wash that is the same type that I go ahead and have my subscription with. So I can probably go ahead and keep that unless I'm going to start washing the car at my house. One, because I've heard that washing the car, like taking them through these machines and stuff, is really rough on them, really rough on the paint, like really rough on everything. And I know I want to, like, maintain my car. It's about to be paid off. I'm going to keep it for at least another 5 years. So I need it to last and I want it to look good while I still have it. So I may be getting rid of that $15 a month. And then of course that'll save me some money. Oh, you know what? I was just thinking I recorded that other, I'd recorded that. Is that what? No. Okay, that's one change that's coming up. So we don't have HBO Max on this one anymore. The folks that I get my internet from now are not servicing the area that I'm moving to, so I had to go and get AT&T. I hope I like it. Y'all let me know what you think of AT&T because I'm iffy on it, but my friend who moved into her house, she was like, we got AT&T, that's who services our area. So I went ahead and got them, and included in my AT&T internet is HBO Max. So I canceled the one I was paying for, and so you will not see that show up here anymore. So a little savings here, a little savings there. So we have annual payments, and that gets $40. We have debt. So this is extra payment that's going to go towards my car debt, $474, and then we have cushion. And this $474 will be combined with the extra debt payment that I'm able to pull from my second paycheck. Cushion gets $10. This should add up to that $1,178. So let's check those numbers because as you all saw on my last one, my numbers were wrong. So let's see how this one goes. So we have 604 plus 15 plus 35 plus 40 plus 474 plus 10. 1178. Perfect. This is the kind of budget that I like to see. One where everything adds up. One where it's super neat, super clean, anything too wild going on. There will be, like I've said before, in November, a big change because I will need to move money around just to make sure that I have enough in whatever account that I want to pay my mortgage out of and pay all my bills out of, or I might move some bills in other places. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So we're going to see how that goes. We're going to see what that ends up looking like, and that's going to be it. So this is my budget for my second paycheck or for my second account. And thanks for watching. Go ahead and comment down below if you budget in different accounts. Like, do you send different paychecks to different accounts if you have multiple paychecks that come into the home? So just let me know. I hope you're having a great one. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.